guys.
What's this? It's for Nana.
It's very neat.
You want to give it to Nana? For Nana.
Oh, so pretty. Oh, Nana. Look at that. Open? See? Oh, it looks pretty. It looks pretty. Look at that. Ew, yep. Pull it out. Pull it out, William. Oh my God. I love it.
Yeah. It's a Groupon for a massage.
No way.
Yeah. It's on Kerr Street. It's like this little Asian place.
Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Oh, don't lose that.
Don't lose that, Layla.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at them. Yay. I needed more pictures and frames. That's beautiful. The frame's gorgeous.
Yeah. What do you think, guys?
Honey.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. The best prezzies you could give me. You're like, totally disgusting right now.
No.
Oh my goodness, and a massage. I can't believe it. Where'd it go?
What do you think, guys? Layla.
Oh yeah. Nana put that away. Look at it.
Oh, that's you guys.
Nana's gonna open it and we'll put the picture in.
Yeah.
Here. Let me open it.
What's this?
Isn't
What's
that
that,
pretty?
buddy?
This is Nana. Nana's gonna keep that forever. My first Nana card.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Gotta be careful.